the most awaited Japan's snap election result is out, and the market could react in just a few hours. Here is what foreigners living in Japan need to know. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly what to watch the Japanese yen and the market tomorrow. Let's go into the topic. First, let's start with the election result based on the live counting. Yearly projections from media suggest that the current leading by Takeuchi Liberal Democratic Party is expected to secure roughly 274 to 328 seats against the majority of 233. So it is going to be a single party majority for the first time since 2021. Including other parties and opposite party, it is to be expected to win significantly fewer seats, which means the overall results points towards the political stability. For the moment, this is the election result for as per the live counting. So now the biggest question is, what does this mean for the yen and the market tomorrow? Let's break it down one by one. Yes, the first thing is market reaction. When market sees a clear majority government, investors usually interpret this as a stability. So this means very positive sign for the market to goes up, but it could be a short-term rally. However, for tomorrow, not only market expected to be a rise, but other things also to be watched. Yes, the Japanese currency yen. A stable government often means expectation of policy to be continued. Because of that, the yen may remain stable or to rise up. But overnight global trading will be important. Second, the stock market, especially exporters. Companies in automobiles, electronics, and large manufacturers often react first because the currency movement directly affects them. Then the banks and the financial stocks. These sometimes moves based on the expectation of fiscal spending and economic policy. Then let's see what to watch tomorrow. The most signals for tomorrow is dollar versus yen, movement in overseas trading, Nikkei futures, and global market sentiment. So these usually gives the first indication of how Tokyo market may open. So here comes our portion. Yes, what does this mean for foreigner living in Japan? So if you are a foreigner living in Japan and investing here, the most important thing to understand is this. Yes, short-term volatility is normal after election. Normal long-term direction depends on policy is not based on the headlines. It's based on the fundamentals and policies. Yes, many new investors react emotionally to political news. But experienced long-term investors wait to see how market digest this result over a couple of days. So instead of reacting immediately, watch the first trading session and understand the overall market trend if you are a beginner to stock market. So here we come to the end. I am going to post another update after the market close, basically tomorrow, to compare what we expected about the market and yen and what we actually happened. So if you are a foreigner and following Japan stock market, this is one of the most interesting weeks to watch. And I am here for you, updating then and there the situation, investing made simple. Thank you. Bye-bye.